Our next guest has been named a super lawyer rising star from Thomson Reuters. Kevin Wichman, attorney at Wichman Law Firm, is here to fill us in on the 25th anniversary of the Violence Against Women Act and how it has impacted this area of law. Good to see you.
Good to see you.
What is it like to have the title of super lawyer? I love it.
Well, it's an honor. Yeah, that is a cool little name.
Well, congratulations
thank you.
for that honor. So we're talking about domestic violence today, and a lot of us know someone who's been impacted by this, or you see the celebrity situations, you hear about it on the news. And what kind of legal cases are associated with these situations?
Well, there's a couple. The first would be criminal aspects to it, which would be your assault and battery, called domestic assault, domestic battery, different related charges to that. There's also civil cases that are orders of protection, and the full name would be orders of protection from abuse and or stalking, and that is what was more commonly referred to years ago as a restraining order, but now they've changed the name a little bit. But yeah, so those are civil cases, and like I said, for abuse and stalking.
And so with these cases, what end are you on? Are you helping the victims of the cases or the accused in these cases?
So for criminal cases, those are done by, at least for the victim side, those are done by the prosecutors, by the government. I'm a private attorney, so I handle the defense side. And I'm really primarily defense side for both because they're often commonly associated together. But they don't have to be, but they're often together. And then as far as for the protection orders, I can do both sides. Those are civil cases.
Okay.
But primarily I get hired for the defense side because there's a lot of free legal resources for the victim side. But if they want to have their own attorney,
need more help.
you know, they want a super lawyer. Right?
A super lawyer. Everybody wants a super lawyer, right?
Then they can come and hire me as well.
You need to get a cape. Next time wear your cape in. I know you have it somewhere.
All right, I will. We'll get one.
Okay, so we mentioned that this is the 25th anniversary of the Violence Against Women Act. So what effect has that act had on these kind of circumstances?
A dramatic one. I'd say much of the whole body of law as far as criminal cases really is brought about from that. Beforehand, as far as, and I should back up, all those cases too, domestic violence or protection orders are situations where they are close family, either in some sort of intimate relationship or maybe living together, or a family member as well, except stalking.
Yeah.
So, but primarily that's what those primarily are. So a close relationship. So beforehand they were just thought to be family matters that handled within the family. The police would really stay out of it, and they were really told to stay out of it. And that kind of changed back at that time frame where there was a movement federally to start bringing about some consequences more to help those families along. And then the states have followed. So about every state has their own laws as well for those.
Well, you've helped a lot of people get, the proper outcome of a lot of these situations. And if any viewers right now are going through domestic violence situations like what we've been discussing, what do you think they should do? What do you recommend?
I would say hire, seek out an attorney for some help. One that's experienced in doing these, that handles these cases regularly, myself or another one. But yeah, look at their track record. Certainly talk to them, see if they've been winning the cases and things like that. So yeah, that's what they should do. Because it's serious matters. You'll go to jail. You'll get a criminal record. It'll be tough to find a job, an apartment, get a loan, and you want to prevent all that.
It's better to have that help. Legal advice. Yeah.
Right, absolutely.
Well, thank you for all the great advice today. And if you would like the super lawyer to help you out, give Kevin a call at 816-7871-LAW. You can visit him online at criminallawyerkc.com or visit his office on Westport Road. We'll also have a link to full details on kclive.tv later on today. Thanks again, Kevin.
All right, you're welcome.
For more Kansas City Live,
tune in at 10 a.m. weekdays on your 41 Action News Station.